emergency alert system.
Eastern Canada, and it seems like a lot of the smoke has gotten wrapped around it.
You hear that? That's the voice. That's Spectrum voice. 1st August. This is the August 1st weekly test. August 1st weekly test.
Call or go on. Multiply the impact of your support up to 10 times. And when you call with your credit card, we will send you a Save the Children tote bag as a thank you for your support.
Yeah.
Your small monthly donation of just $10 could be the reason a child in crisis survives. Show them they're not alone. Please call or go online.
This is August 1st RWT.
Save lives.
And today's what?
Sunday
The
7th of August.
but not this Sunday.
When you really need to sleep, ZQL has no equal. Get the deeply restorative sleep you need.
I slept great.
ZQL, not for colds, just for sleep. Really great sleep.
This is a weekly test.
The emergency alert system. This station is testing equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of an emergency. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Mom, this?
I know, will you please?
Mom,
Honey.
this is a weekly.
Did we film it?
It's issued at 3:14 a.m. and in effect till 3:29 a.m.
Okay, now put your pillow down where you need it. You need to lay on top of your pillow. Is your side okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
Oop, excuse me. I just burped.
Well, you excuse yourself, and then when this is done,
Go to bed.
you put your camera away and you get to bed.
That's a Spectrum voice.
God, just
I never see a Spectrum voice on YouTube. There's Duchess over there.
Yeah, well, you need to go to sleep.
Last July, it was the 1st July's weekly test.
Okay, that's it.
And that's it.
Now get to bed.
But they skipped the regular Spectrum on Jeffrey's TV and the Office TV.
It's okay.
go to bed.
So they're just only on the living room and Mom and Dad's bedroom TV.
Okay, good night.
So that being said,
That's it. Good night.
have a great
Evening.
19 years anniversary.
Okay.
19-year anniversary of way back in 2006.
Okay, good night.
Good night. And say good night, Duchess. Say good night, Duchess.
Very good.
Say good night. Say good night. Today is the 19-year anniversary of the first video back in 2006. So that being said,
I think we understand better where the Bermuda High is going to be. I think it's going to go more toward the Azores, like you pointed out, tracking system up. But honestly,
So I guess, thanks for watching.
Okay, good night.
Good night.
Bye.
Bye.